How to use Discord in a web browser. No downloads? No problem, Discords work right from your browser. First, open your favorite browser and go to discord.com. Click on Open Discord in your browser and sign in. You will get the full Discord interface, servers on the left, channels in the center, members on the right. Chat and join voice calls and adjust settings just like the app. If you want, bookmark Discord for quick access anytime you are online. To get notifications while working in other tabs, enable browser notifications when prompted. Use browser shortcuts like ctrl plus tab to switch between browser tabs quickly while using Discord. Have you tried the browser version? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Using Discord in a browser is a great way to stay connected without installing anything. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.